Most sore throats are caused by viruses such as the cold or flu virus. Some of the more serious causes of sore throat include tonsils. A sore throat can make it painful to swallow. A sore throat can also feel dry and scratchy, but you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you how to reduce pain and also swelling in easier way at home. To make this remedy, firstly we need few natural ingredients like ginger. Ginger is one of the most common and scientifically proven health benefit of ginger is that it can treat sore throat. Ginger helps in the smoothing a sore throat in two ways. One by revealing the pain and second fighting the infections. Next one is honey. Honey has a long history for an effective remedy for a sore throat. Honey is one of the most natural products for treating cough and cold and sore throat. Now we make this remedy for firstly we just add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice into the bowl. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of honey into the mixture. Mix it well. Add some hot water. And the remedy is ready to use.